In this exercise, we will learn the Content-Aware Move tool. This is the best tool to select and move a part of an image, and after the move, the left behind area is automatically filled with similarity. Okay, let's see how this tool will work. Okay, if I right-click on Soft Healing Brush tool, then we can find the Content-Aware Move tool underneath the Patch tool. Or we can just select it by pressing Shift and J multiple times. Okay, now let's zoom in. We have some birds, and let's select this tool now. Okay, for example, if I select this bird, something like that, and move it, something like that, on this area, we can see the bird is moved perfectly, and this area is perfectly filled out. Okay, let's undo that. Now, we have some control options above. Let's talk about these options. We have selection options. We are very aware about these options. These work the same as they did in the previous exercises. Okay, if I choose the extend option, let's move this bird. Something like that. Now we have duplicated this bird. Okay, next we have a structure option. The structure option will just blend the edges of a selection. For example, select the bird and place it on this area. Something like that. We can see we have some of the area that is blended and the edges are blended. Okay, let's undo that. If I increase the color to 10 and then paste it on this background, something like that, then we see we have very nicely blended the color around the background. Perfect. Okay, next we have the Transform on Drop option. Okay, check this on and move it, something like that. And then I will need to hit Enter or to check this mark to apply it. Okay. Okay, if I check this off and paste, then we can see it is automatically applied on this image without pressing the Enter key. Okay, in the next exercise, we will learn how to use the Red Eye tool.